This is Seth Sullivan. I'm an infectious disease physician at Baylor Scott White and the Health Authority at Brazos County Health District. And as a father of a Bryan ISD student, I'm very impressed with the Essential 8. Sports was big for me too. There was a lot of fear that I had. I had fear as I was playing cornerback in football, and I'm up against a good receiver, someone who's faster than me, taller than me, and they catch the ball and it's a touchdown, and everyone just saw me get blown out. That's not a situation you want to be in. But you got to go. You got to strap on your helmet. And you got to be in there, and you got to stay in there. You got to give it your all, and you got to be focused on the moment and to overcome that. And there was always a fear that I had, a fear of losing, a fear of not doing my best, a fear of not reaching my potential. And so sports helped me overcome that fear. It helped me realize that fear is not the boss of me. That fear is a reaction, and the courage is the decision. I'm going to make a decision here. I'm going to step up. I'm going to jump in this arena, and I'm going to do it. The earlier on experience with the pandemic, just in the hospitals, the healthcare workers in the front lines, working in the emergency rooms, the urgent cares, and the family medicine, the clinics who are seeing these folks. And I don't know if you have COVID or don't have COVID and haven't been tested, and what does that mean for all those working in that environment, that capacity. And I'm watching them go into these rooms, I'm watching them talk to families and to make very tough phone calls. And I'm thinking about the families. I'm thinking about those who have been through this and so scared and not having that social support around them that we would all want when we're that scared. We don't know if we're going to live. We don't know what our chances are. We want to be around those who are closest to us. It's all around us, just human courage. And one of the privileges of being a physician is to be a part of that, to be witness to that, to be inspired by that. And those are the times, those are the days when I'm going home that I'm gonna hug my wife a little tighter and hug my kids a little tighter and be thankful for the day that I have. Talking about frontline healthcare workers, our frontline educators, showing up to a class of 30 kids and knowing how important education is, understanding the importance of that day's instruction, and that in-person instruction matters. If we've ever seen the value of education, let's look back in these past couple of years. It's so critical. And students as well. Students are saying, hey, this is important. I want to see my friends. I want to learn, and I'm willing to do what it takes. And I understand this is going to be tough, moving forward, but we have verified the importance of our schools. if that was it, we cannot do this virtually. That doesn't happen. That doesn't work. We're in a better day. The sun is shining, and we are turning the page on this. I really do believe that, and I hope that we can take these lessons, moving forward in our schools, and our hospitals, and our healthcare, and in our community, and among our elected officials, and say, here's what we learned from this, and here's what we can do better.